Frank here, Purple Caper Seeds, working here with the legend Ed Rosenthal. We're breaking down the bud, and so the first step to extract the seeds is by hand. Typically I use a screen, but another way is just to do it like this. You want to make sure it's small. Any big twigs will get caught inside the seed separator. So I go like that, and all the seeds are out. Then the stems, I throw all that stuff in there, and we'll deal with that later. So we always run the seeds 2 or 3 times to get the small white ones out. The first run doesn't get everything. The more times you run it, the cleaner they get.
Hi, this is Ed Rosenthal, and we've just been cleaning these seeds to make them ready for storage, and I'm going to sow about 50 of them to see how they do. And I'm hoping that at least some of them will be single stem plants. We'll see.